Hello, this is a quick look at the markets for today, Tuesday, July 1st. Coming up on the economic calendar today, we start with Purchasing Managers Index from the Eurozone. At 7:45 we have from Italy. 5 minutes later at 7:50 we have from France. Then we have from Germany at 7:55, and then finally at 8 o'clock we have for the entire Eurozone. This is more likely going to have an impact on European equities than it will on the currency specifically. And then also at 7:55 we have unemployment data from Germany, which could also have an impact more specifically on German stocks than it will specifically on the currency. Then at 8:30 GMT we have PMI, manufacturing PMI from the United Kingdom. Then at 9 o'clock we have unemployment for the entire Eurozone. Again, this is more likely to have an impact on equities than it will on the currency because unlike the United States, the ECB doesn't have a mandate to control employment. Then in the afternoon at 1:45 we have manufacturing PMI from the United States, but that's most likely going to be overshadowed 15 minutes later when we have the major event of the day, which is the ISM manufacturing survey from the United States. Also at 2 o'clock we have an economic optimism survey from the United States as well. And moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 was virtually unchanged, just down slightly yesterday. But that didn't keep the Asian markets from performing quite well during early trading today, with the best performer being Japan, moving higher after a survey from the Bank of Japan. An economic sentiment survey from the Bank of Japan came out better than expected. We also had the official PMI from China, which came out also above 50, showing that the economy wasn't contracting as much as previously feared. Hong Kong and Thailand are closed for holidays today, but overall the MSCI Asian Index moved higher. This is the highest it's been since 2008. Going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading up by 0.1%, which gives us a somewhat positive outlook for the day today. The euro yesterday continued to jumped higher above our previous support resistance level, which is 136.60. That is now turned into support. We're leading into the ECB policy decision on Thursday, and as we expected, the market has been moving a little bit higher. Our next level of resistance is at 137.20. The pound also had a pretty strong performance yesterday, breaking above finally the 170.60 resistance level. So now we're looking at support at the first Fibonacci extension level here at 170.20. That would be a resistance level, and then we have support at 170.50. The yen, despite getting some strength still against the dollar, still hasn't managed to break below 101.25, which is an important support level here, and rebounded yesterday. So we're looking at support at 101.25, resistance at 102.75. And then gold continues its usual fluctuation as it moves sideways. It's close to an important resistance level at 1,340, and we have support at 1,310, with a slight meager resistance, a relatively weak resistance level here at 1,030, which rebounded off of yesterday as expected. And that's it. Yes, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.